This is the final video in the LED flasher. I go over the troubleshooting as to why it won't work, i.e. I soldered the LEDs in the wrong way, and show its operation, and I give some final thoughts as well as what's going on in the next video. Enjoy the video. Okay, it's 3 volts there. So we're testing some voltages. First thing to see if there's voltage on this circuit. Q3 is there. So I need to pick up ground from somewhere. So R8 has a ground, 3 volts there, so okay, we're reading 3 volts there. Let's go to continuity. They're common. They're common. Not common. So that side goes to that side of the transistor. That's correct. And the other side, basically it comes from that side of those resistors there. So those two there. Yeah, that's correct. Let's check for voltages. Okay, so should be 3 volts on one side of the PMP in relation to ground. Okay. Which is switch on actually. Or over ground. Actually is on. High voltage. Okay, the on-off is working. I possibly have the LEDs round the wrong way. I do have the LEDs round the wrong way. Because
Oh, I'm a doofus. I am an absolute doofus. I put the LEDs in the wrong way round. The arrow needs to point that way. Oh, I'm a doofus. Okay, so I got the component off. I damaged the yellow one. Now that arrow has to point that way, towards the 15 ohm resistor, like so. So let's clean up those pads. I'll fix the design to show the correct orientation for the diodes. The pads were from Ultra Librarian and they unfortunately have an error on them. Not much I can do about it. That one's the green LED. I'll have to put a new yellow. The yellow one got broken, unfortunately. This one appears to be okay. Alright. Time we resoldered this component back on. So. Helps with bonds. And we'll use a little bit of hot air to fix it up. Time we got to, and what I might do is use a little bit of solder paste. Okay. Give that a quick clean in the ultrasonic wash. Okay, so this was the LED flasher project. It's the first in the series of the Funway and SME. It has been sponsored by PCBWay. They are sponsoring the series. This project will be available for purchase from their projects site, including with components. And all you need to do is just watch this video to learn how to assemble the circuit and also go through the circuit description. So I'm now going to get on with the next project in the series, the Ding Dong Doorbell. That should be coming out in the next couple of weeks. If you want to be awesome, please sign up to my Patreon. I unfortunately lost my job 3 months ago and it has unfortunately slowed down the rate of my videos. So if you can sign up and become a patron, you'll help support me creating these videos and to be able to get the parts needed to be able to make the circuits and demonstrate them. So good thanks from the folks at PCBWay for sponsoring and helping my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.